Alright, here are the Walgreens deals we did this week. First off, the Lipton is free after register reward. They're on sale for $1 this week. Next thing we purchased was the scrubbing bubbles. We actually found ones with 10% extra, so the bottles are gigantic. But they're on sale for $5.50 it looks like. And you get $1.50 register reward back. We bought 2 of them, so that you can use $1 off each product. And they're from online. I think coupons.com has them. You're paying $2, or no, they're 2 for $5.50. Excuse me. You're paying 2 of them for $3.50. You're getting $1.50 register reward back, which makes them 2 for $2 or $1 each. Great price. Next thing we picked up are the Revlons. They're down by the iced coffee. They're on sale for $3.29. There are $2 off ones you can get from online. I believe it's like coupons.com. Plus, there's $1 off one you can use from the August savings booklet. And don't forget to use the coupon. It's in the weekly ad for 50 beauty points for every $1 spent, I believe it is. So that's awesome. So they cost you 29 cents after the coupons, plus the points. Don't forget the points. The Ivory soap is on sale for $1, and it's on sale for $1 until the end of this month. You can use 25 cents off once, found on coupons.com. You're paying 75 cents for 3 bars. Great price. And the last thing that was purchased was the Starbucks. I love Starbucks. So these 4-packs are on sale for $4.99. You can use $1 for ones, found on coupons.com. You're paying $3.99 for the 4 of them, essentially $1 each. So that is an awesome price considering these are usually far more expensive than just $1. So to go over the receipt, we paid $10.90 after tax, and then we received $1 off for purchasing compliments of Pepsi Cola. Otherwise, from Pure Leaf, and the other one's $1.50 for purchasing the Scrubbing Bubbles bathroom cleaner. So yeah, that's what we got at Walgreens this week. There are other deals that are pretty good, but these are the best ones that we found. So thanks for watching.